Do laser treatments really work for hair loss? What are they? Are they effective? Will they grow your hair back? I am Samara Ash, and this is Can You Hear Me Now? Low-level laser therapy has been around since the 60s. It's been used for healing wounds all the way to stroke recovery, and you guessed right, for hair regrowth as well. And why use lasers instead of maybe using treatments like pharmaceuticals? The thing is that laser therapy is the least invasive way to regenerate follicles. And as you know, follicles are the ones in charge of hair growth. Now, you don't have to go to a medical center to get these treatments because you can just purchase the use-at-home versions, which are as effective. But there are so many out there. How do you choose? First, it should be a low-level laser. And what does that mean? It's basically a laser where the light reaches up to 650 nanometers. If it goes further than that, it might affect other tissues, and that's not what we want. The ones that seem to work best are the ones that have teeth like a comb. Hair blocks the light and protects us from the sun, so the teeth separate the hair and allows for the laser to reach your scalp. This provides energy to the follicle and increases circulation. Now the follicle can accept that oxygen, those nutrients, those vitamins, and it finally receives the message, wake up. Then the follicle can say to itself, well, I'm not dead. I've been just sleeping. It's time to make hair. That's the way it works. On the other hand, when there is low blood circulation, the follicle may think to itself, no nutrients, they're being used somewhere else in the body. I'm just gonna go rest. How and when to use them? First of all, do not overuse it. Follow the instructions. Think of going to the gym. Would you work out the same muscle day after day? No, you would be overworking it, and then you wouldn't even get the results you want. A few tips for you: use it at night. Use it at night because your hormonal levels will be playing on your favor. Now, it doesn't mean that it's not gonna work during the day, but by using it at night, you'll see faster and better results. All right, another tip for you. The days that you're not supposed to use the treatment, go ahead and massage your scalp. Use a massager, use your fingertips, but the idea is for you to stimulate circulation. We spoke about how important that is. The final question you might have in your mind is, will it work? Will I grow my hair back if I use it? And the only way to find out is if you try it. Subscribe right now. Follow us on Facebook, on Instagram, and all our social media platforms. Hey, you, can you hear me now?